So here children, I have drawn two picture, a cat and elephant to make you understand about the drawing and color. Okay children, now let's discuss about fifth line which most of the children like to do. Some of the liking are like reading book. I know you all like to read a book. It may be a cartoon book or a comic book. It may be a story book, isn't it? I know most of the children like to read comics or story book for children. Okay? I also like to read book. Then the next line is going for outing. Going for outing means most of the children like to go for an outing with their family to spend some quality time with their family or to see greenery. Okay? It may be the place which you want to go for an outing. It may be in the same place in your city, or it may be outside of your city, or it may be a temple or your park or any picnic spot. But I know you all like to go for an outing with your family or with your friends, isn't it children? So here another line which I am going to discuss, the thing which most of the children like to do is playing with pets. Do you have pet children at your home? Is it a dog or cat? So if you have a pet at your home, I know you all like to play with them, isn't it? They also like to play with you. But children, you have to take care of your pet. Okay? Give them good shelter, good food. Okay children? So this is also favorite thing which most of the children like to do is playing with their pet. Then the last thing, listening to music. I know children, most of the children what? Elders also like to listen to music to relax your mind. Okay? Maybe some of you like loud music, and some of you like slow music, or whatever music you like to do, you like to listen. So this is also most favorite thing which most of the children like to do, listening to music. So here children, there are some lines we have to write down on the board about your liking and disliking, about your likes and dislikes. So first one is which most of the children like, playing out in the park with their friends. So let me write down here which most of the children like to do. So first one is what? First one is playing out in the park with their friends. So most of the children like to play out in the park with their friends, which we have discussed already. Then the second number which most of the children like to do, second one is acting like the elders in the family. Acting like the elders in the family. Okay, maybe you like to act like your father or your mother. Okay, so that one is also you like to do. Most of the children like to do. So next one is drawing pictures and coloring them. Drawing pictures and coloring them. I know most of the children like to do this one very much. Yes or no? So, and the fourth one is what? Dancing and singing. Dancing and singing. Here children, I know most of the children like to dance or like to sing. Yes or no? Most of the children like to dance. I know you also like to dance. Here another picture of dancing. And most of the children also like to sing. Most of the children also like to sing. Like to sing what? It may be patriotic song, or it may be solo song or duet song, or it may be what? Any kind of song. But I know most of the children like to sing and like to dance as well. Okay children, here I have two chart for you for singing, and this one is dancing. So here I have written in the fourth line, most of the children like to dance and sing. Okay children. Then the next line, reading books. Reading books. I know you all like to read book, maybe comics, maybe story book, and your textbook also. Then the next one, going for outing. Going for outing. It may be a picnic spot, or it may be a temple, or it may be a place outside your city. Okay. Then the next one is playing with pets. If you have a pet at your home, then I know you love to play with your pet. Maybe it may be a cat, it may be a dog. Okay, it may be a parrot also. Playing with pets. Then 8 number. Listening to music. This is the last one. Listening to music. It may be loud music, or it may be soft music, whatever music, but I know you like to listen different kind of music, isn't it? So these are some lines which most of the children like to do. Okay children, so let me read once again. Let's recall. First one is playing out in the park with their friends. Then the second one, acting like the elders in the family, drawing pictures and coloring them. Then dancing and singing. Then reading books. then going for outing, then playing with pets, then the last one, listening to music. I know children, there are so many other things also which most of the children like to do, but here are some of the points I have written here which are given in your book. I hope you all like it. Okay children.